hands on the controls, right?
Okay.
Give JJ the thumbs up when you're ready. And I'm going to waggle the rudder. That lets the tailplane know we're ready.
36 traffic, tailplane 87 Juliet, departing runway 17, glider in tow, and we're going to be orbiting out to the west, running stage.
Alright, see the nose come up?
Yes. It's almost that way.
And you're flying?
Okay.
Alright, I want you to keep this here, alright? You got it?
I think so.
Running stage traffic, group 7482, 4 to the west, going to be entering a right downwind, runway 17, full stop, running stage.
Right here, ready?
Right stage traffic, Sirius 9 degree, Papa Foxtrot, taxiing from the flight school 217, ready.
Just leave the wings level. See how his wheels are on the horizon? Alright, you following? Alright, keep the airplane right there with his wheels on the horizon.
Alright.
I'll be right there with you, right?
Alright.
Alright, you got it. A little bit lower and a little bit back. Good. A little bit higher. And a little bit lower.
Okay.
I got it for a second.
Alright.
And right down behind them again.
Okay.
And you got it. It matches bank angle. So if he banks, you have to bank.
Running stage traffic, tailplane 87 Juliet, about a mile and a half to the southwest, climbing through 2,600. Glider in tow, we have the traffic on downwind in sight. We're going to be orbiting out to the west, burning stage.
Never breathe with the rudder.
My bad. Too much
Running stage
water.
traffic, group 7482 on a right base, runway 17, full stop, burning stage.
Do I pull it?
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah, we go to the right.
Alright. That was interesting.
Running stage traffic, tailplane 87 Juliet, glider release 2.5 miles south of the field at 4,500 feet, burning stage.
Alright, you got it. We're in a thermal. So you're watching the clouds above us, right?
Now I am.
Alright, point the glider at that cloud to the right in front of us. Right there. And lower the nose and let's go about 55 knots. pick up the airplane, and I'm going to be right here with you.
Alright.
You got it?
Yeah.
Put your left hand on the spoiler control. Left hand on the spoiler.
Oh,
Right? Alright, maintain this pitch attitude below the horizon. Next is traffic light, I want to please off the tail turning and let base 17 base station. Alright, nose down a little bit. Alright, we're going to go perpendicular to the runway. Fly, this is our base leg. You got it? Alright, let's start turning final trips. Turn to the right, keep the nose down. When it says traffic light, I want to please off the tail turning final 17 base station. Alright, now flying. Keep the same airspeed. Just line us up on the runway. Okay? Keep the nose down. Right about here is good. Alright, so we're going to try to get as close as we can to the runway without touching. So you got it?
okay.
Don't bring it up. Coming down. Alright, you got it?
Got it.
Alright, hold us right here. Don't let us touch. Don't let us touch. We're gonna keep the nose coming up, up, up. And there we go. And then we bring the spoiler back. Keep the wings level. And rudder will stay on the airplane and wings to keep us level.
Okay.
Aileron to keep us level. It's a lot happening real fast, right?
Yes. Okay.
Alright, let's get out. I'll have you hold a wingtip.
Where do you get all the energy, Elvis? You got up at 4:30 this morning, I heard from your grandfather.
Yeah, she was swimming at 5:45.
Holy cow, I was still sleeping.
Well, you go to bed. I bet you're gonna get a lot of sleep tonight. Alright, so your wing is gonna come back a little bit. Right about